Why do you need this hat for?
Dude, no, you stop it, stop it, stop it.
Before we hit the slopes, which are right over here, I want to do a time lapse for you later. I'm gonna get some pancakes with real maple syrup. That's what I want. Yeah. So guys, how awesome is this place? I mean, we're like in the attic of an old barn from like the early 1900s. It is fantastic. And now, of course, the main event. I got pancakes because they have real maple syrup. And it's actually funny, on the menu it actually says if you want artificial one, it actually costs more money. That's funny, because obviously down in New York, it's the exact opposite. Well guys, we finished eating and I pretty much drank most of the syrup. This thing was full. It was way too good.
Yeah, it's not gonna be funny today with you and your sugar rush.
What sugar rush?
I have no comments. We'll see how it goes later on. Ooh, look.
We're on our way out. Julia, her obsession with hats.
Look, the Kaikita says.
No,
it's
wait,
a barn
so
with the snow.
She wants me to get it. She has a million hats. You don't need this hat. Why do you need this hat for?
Dude, no, you stop it, stop it, stop it.
One cool thing is that down in the gift store, they show you where they make the maple syrup right here. Pretty cool, right? Oh, and here's all the maple syrups. Well, folks, that was probably one of the best breakfasts ever. Seriously, that place is amazing. Bought some maple syrup. They make it all here, just like in that little spot I showed you. This is awesome. Anyway, me and Julie were trying to figure out, a lot of people were staring at us driving here. You know, whenever you buy decorations for your car, you probably, most of the time you forget about them. And if you look at yesterday's video, you notice there's always a red thing in the front. It's because we get antlers on our car. And we have a nose, so if you look at the nose. Anyway, it's time for us to go ahead and go tubing, so let's get in here. We got an hour drive to go. So Julia and I are taking the beaten path here. We're at the state park because guess what? There's a waterfall. We can actually hear it from here. And as soon as we found out there's a waterfall, we're in. I mean, we are so in. Julia's already ahead of me. That's how excited she is. Hey, Julia! See, that's her. But we're heading down now. I'm excited to see the falls. Maybe I'll get the drone up if there's not too many trees over the water. But this should be cool. We could tell we're getting closer. You can see the little water here, and it's freezing. It's over just a little bit further down there. Come on, Julia.
You want me to jump on that?
Jump, come on, jump.
Because I'm going to get hurt.
No, you're not. Come on.
No.
Come on.
No.
Come on.
Jump.
Don't go forward. Jump. Come on, you got it. You got it.
No, I'm not going.
Come on.
No.
How amazing is that sound, right? I'm gonna record this for home and fall asleep to it. Seriously, let me tap it. See, look how beautiful! It is unreal. Seriously, it's unreal. Now for the waterfall, we have to move up more. Joey says to watch out, it's moving.
Not the water.
Well, we did it, folks. We made it to the waterfall. And it is beyond beautiful. It's not as massive because it's frozen over, but it is beautiful. How beautiful. Julia, isn't this beautiful?
It's gorgeous.
So how awesome was that waterfall, right? I know. Thank God we got some drone footage. At first the drone wasn't working, but we got it working, and Julia pointed out some really good shots. So good job, Julia. Now we're heading back to the car because it's freezing out. It's currently 21 degrees. All right, we're back in the car and we're going to snow tube now.
Yes.
How'd you like the waterfall?
It was beautiful.
I can't wait to put this online for you guys. It really is peaceful over here. So we made it to Magic Mountain. Julia, you feel magical yet? Not yet. It's going to be magical. We're having a good time. So folks, this is kind of a bummer. So I called earlier this week to go tubing here, and they said they would definitely be open today till 5 o'clock.
We bought tickets online and we showed up and they are closed. Apparently we are the only people that showed up for snow tubing today, and they are not open. They send their staff home. So
We're actually finding out this is like a trend here, because earlier we were going to go out to breakfast to a another place, and we
no one
showed
was
up
there.
and it was like 9:45. He's like, yeah, we closed. No one showed up.
So I mean, so far it's been quite
Thanks, Magic Mountain. Was not magical for us.
not at all.
My bet is we're from all the way down south. We'll give you guys vouchers to come up again.
We're not coming back. You
5
kidding me?
hours to come? No, I'm fine. So, kind of a bummer. Anyway, we're gonna try and find something that is open, but
Now we'll just go
Yeah.
with the snowmobiles or something, considering that we have not done shit yet.
Julia's angry. I'm very disappointed, which is worse than being angry. So Julie and I are gonna take this lift all the way to the top. It's gonna be fun. We made it to the top. Beautiful everything is. Whew, it is beyond beautiful here. So much snow. Seriously, look at all this snow. Look at this. It is beyond beautiful. Seriously, woo, way beyond beautiful. So I found this trail and I wanted to go in here to check it out, and Julie's like, no, don't do it. I think it's so cool because now I'm covered in everything.
Did you enjoy your time?
Yes. It's so freezing out that our phones froze and then shut off. That's how cold it is. I don't know, what is the temperature? I have no idea what it is. But we found a cabin at the top. Julie's got some hot chocolate. And I want to show you guys this view outside this window because this is the top of the hill. It's so beautiful. Down. And it just fell over us. At least I cannot smell it. But we're gonna head back to the hotel again. I'm freaking out because this is scary going down. Oh my God, Julia, are you okay back there?
No.
So Julia, what did you think of the lift, the gondola?
Awesome.
I mean, guys, you saw the pictures, you saw the videos. It is so beautiful up there. It really is. Oh my gosh, totally worth it. Look how cool this little town is at the bottom of the mountain, right? It is so cool. Now, unfortunately, right now it's only about 2:30, but we have to go. I have to start work early tonight. But this turned out to be a beautiful day. We had a lot of fun. A little upset with Magic Mountain, but if it wasn't for that happening, we wouldn't have been able to see that. So, no negativity. Turn negative into a positive, and you get positive out of it. You guys have a great day. Subscribe to our channel, and see you guys later.